Most people will scroll past this and stay broke. But if you stick with me for just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how you could make $1,000 or more in a week with Suno AI and music. Ready to dive in? Let's start by understanding what Suno AI is. Suno AI is a cutting-edge platform that allows you to create professional quality music tracks using artificial intelligence. You don't need to be a musician or have any technical skills. You simply input your preferences, and Suno AI does the heavy lifting. Now, let's talk about the potential here. Did you know that people on platforms like BeatStars and Pond5 are making thousands by selling their music tracks? Yes, AI-generated tracks are in demand, and here's how you can tap into this market. Step 1. Sign up on Suno AI. It's free to start. Once you're in, explore the various music styles available. Whether it's EDM, hip-hop, or cinematic scores, there's something for everyone. Step 2. Create your first track. Use the intuitive interface to select a style, mood, and instruments. In minutes, you'll have a track ready. Step 3. Export your track and head over to BeatStars or Pond5. Sign up as a creator and upload your music. BeatStars, for example, allows you to set your price. Some sellers price their beats between $30 to $100 per track. Imagine selling 10 tracks in a week. That's $1,000 right there. Step 4. Promote your music. Share it on social media, collaborate with other creators, or even offer special discounts to increase your sales. The key is to get your tracks noticed. Step 5. Keep refining your skills. Use feedback from buyers to improve and create better tracks. The more you produce, the higher your chances of hitting those big sales. And there you have it, a simple way for beginners to start making money with music using Suno AI. Remember, the only limit is your dedication and creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating and get that cash flow rolling in. For those who stayed till the end, I've dropped some bonus tips in the description below. Check them out.